morning everyone, myself Sonal Shegukar from EDT department. Here is my Arduino assessment. You can see the WhatsApp symbol here where the LEDs are glowing in series. This is called as Arduino Shield. I have used here total 23 LEDs from where 18 are green LEDs and 6 are white LEDs. This is made in the software called Fritzing. In this breadboard view, you can observe the LEDs are placed in series with each registers. Only one resistor is connected to the 6 LEDs that are 6 LEDs, 6 white color LEDs. So that the current should get limit. This resistor is called current limiting resistor. Now we'll move towards the schematic view of the shield. This is the schematic view of Arduino shield. As Arduino have 16 digital pins, from that I have utilized 12 pins from D2 to digital pin number 13. Pin number 12 is connected to 6 short white LEDs and only one resistor is connected here of 220 ohms. These are the analog pins from A0 to A5. These are connected to the different LEDs. These analog pins can be used as a digital pins. Now we'll move towards the program that is called Sketch. Firstly, the initiation part is done. We have initialized analog pin equals to A0, initialized timer and then LED pins in array. These are the sequence of LEDs so that LEDs should glow in series. We have also initialized the pin count, that is 20. Then in void setup loop, we have applied here for loop. We have initialized the pin equals to 0, then it is less than equals to pin count and then increment pin. This is the pin mode. We have initialized LED pins as output pins. Then in void loop, here analog value equals to analog read pins. Whatever the data is coming to the analog pin, that is being read by the analog read instruction or the command. We have applied here for loop so that the LED should glow in series. Here we have used the command that is digital write and we have given here the delay. For some time the LEDs are on and after that the LEDs gets off. Lastly, the loop delay has been initialized, that is timer 1 analog read, then initialize timer, timer 0, timer 1. This is the delay program. In this way we have made our Arduino assessment which shows you glowing LEDs of WhatsApp symbol. Thank you.